Hi kids, another week. So exciting. Our week this week, April 27th through May 1st, we're going to do it a little bit differently than we did last week. So we're going to start off, it's the same here. Contacts are the same. Office hours are different this week. Please note that I will only be available on Google Meet from 10 to 11 every day. You can email me pretty much all day long. I may be a little slower getting back to you in the evenings, but make sure to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Google Meets are great, guys. We have some fun. We play Kahoots. We do quizzes. We do a little bit of review every day on different things. I answer questions on any of the warm-ups or work that we're doing on these slideshows. And then we always do some scavenger hunts and stuff. So make sure you join us next time. Our first activity this week is going to be a mashup. Make sure you watch the video. If you want to answer it with the Flipgrid, you click here. If you want to answer it in the Google Doc, make sure you go to the Google Doc that is attached via Classroom. Today's other math activity is, if you haven't already logged in, log into MobyMax. Get started on MobyMax. We're having a competition within the math department, and you know me, I like to win. So get on there and log your hours. It will be a test at first, and then after the test, it'll have fun activities. Make sure you give me your feedback on it too. Is it fun? Is it not so fun? Make sure you get through the assessment and start doing the actual activities before you give me your feedback. I want you guys working on math. You guys can also learn a lot of new stuff on this. It's going to be at your level. Our activities for science all go around the Earth biomes this week. So the first activity is you are going to go to this link and you are going to look back in your notes and you're actually going to be playing a game. On Tuesday, you are going to be doing a Would You Rather warm-up, and then you will be doing MobyMax. Science, you're doing another biome. You're going to be doing a read about it and then picking one of the games or worksheets, and it's a choose activity. So you get to choose what you want to do, and then you're going to share out what you did and what you learned. We're doing another math mashup as a warm-up activity, and then I am going to give you Wednesday off from doing MobyMax for math, but I want you to do MobyMax for science on Wednesday. Go onto the science tab and do a little bit of that. Thursday, you are going to be doing a Would You Rather activity. Make sure you answer it via Flipgrid or Google Doc and use math terminology like I make you use in class. Use the vocabulary. Tell us how you solved it. And we are going to do a Kahoot. It's a Kahoot on your own time, but you'll get to see how you did versus all your classmates. So use your notes if you want to. On Friday, you have a math mashup. I want you to do MobyMax, and then you're going to have another biome game. You're going to go to this NASA website and do a game, and then make sure you show me how you did and what you did on the game. Have a great week. Remember to visit us. We are having fun in Google Meet office hours, so come join us.